Hey guys, Ryan back here at Magic Kingdom for TMR Tours. Today we're going to do a mobile ordering special and show you just the ins and outs of mobile ordering and how to use it and the best ways to use it. So let's go guys, mobile ordering.
Oh, hey guys, so you just saw that line inside, but if you don't want to wait in it, you can simply order your food through the My Disney Experience app. It's called mobile ordering. You just log in, hit mobile order, pick the place you want to order from, and then select the menu items that you wish to order. Once you have your order built, you just simply pay, and then when you get to the restaurant, you click I'm here, and they prepare your food, and you just walk right up to the window and pick it up. No waiting, just fun. I'm here, prepare my order. Now that we're done at Pecos Bill, let's get some dessert. How about Dole Whip at Aloha Isle? Now the line over there is usually pretty long though, so let's mobile order ahead of time. Just go right into the app, select what Dole Whip you want, and cash out. It's that easy. So then when we get over there, all we have to do is hit check in and pick it up right at the mobile ordering counter. Over to Aloha Isle. I'm going to check in and say I'm here, prepare my order. So as you can see, that took only seconds for us to get our Dole Whip, as opposed to waiting in line with all those people. So skip the line, enjoy your time here at Disney, and mobile order.
If you have never used the My Disney Experience app to mobile order and skip those lines, TMR Tours is here to highly recommend it. If you enjoyed these tips, check out our channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications to get more videos. We'll see you on another TMR Tour. Kongaloosh! Kongaloosh!